the end it's going to look something like this. Hello, welcome. Today we are going to see another beautiful geometrical mandala. For that, once again, we'll have to find the center first, then mark every 1 centimeters from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. For the next step, we'll take protractor and mark every 20 degrees, 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. Do the exact same thing on all the four sides. Then we'll add a 6 centimeter circle first. Join the opposite points. Get the grid. Then drawing 4 centimeter circle along with 2 centimeter circles. 6, 4 and 2 centimeter circles. For the next step, we'll take the circles for reference and draw the pattern looking something like this along with the inner lining. So just draw pattern something like this. For the next step, we'll add spirals on facing the opposite sides. Add the curve, darken it up, add inner linings and just fill up the space with a few lines. On the top, I'll add semicircle. Once again, fill up the remaining space with a few lines. We'll darken up this circle on the inside, add another outer lining circle to it. Use the grid lines for reference and add the petals like this in the center and then darken up the space around it. For the outside, we'll add another spiral, see facing both the sides, and in between the spirals we'll add a circle, finish it up, then add inner lining to it, fill this up with another set of lines. You have to do this on all the sides and in the end it's going to look something like this. I hope you liked what we have created. And for more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.